Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So earlier I shared my haul from Stampin' Up, which was a paper pumpkin haul, and I did receive two other kits. I signed up for a 3 month plan, and I got the other two kits, but it didn't really get inspired by them. So they're still in the box. But this kit I really love. And it's mainly because the theme was like rainbows, and then I just love the colors, and so I decided to actually try and make this kit. Now, I didn't follow the rules of like what they provided, partially because I didn't feel like stamping, but also I love these embellishments. I hope they offer it as like something you can buy, when the catalog comes out, but I don't want to use it. It's so cute. Anyway, so yeah, so I kind of made my own types up, and I'll just share with you what I did. So this was actually done on like a kind of like a Facebook meeting room, or like a kind of like a Zoom type of thing, on Memorial Day, when me and my friends decided to try and like kind of FaceTime with each other. And so a couple of them were like cleaning, and then I was like crafting. So I busted out this kit, and then I just started trying to make stuff. So this is what I came up with. So this rainbow was part of the kit, and so you just have to pop out all the stuff. And then I had made these embellishments a while back, if you remember, these flag embellishments. And so I just hot glued it on. And then today I added on some of these punched flowers, who's inspired by Christian, of Christian's, I think it's Christian's Crafty Adventures, where she uses a lot of these small flowers. I finally found my a substitute, so I couldn't find the punches she was using, so I found my old Stampin' Up punch, and that seems to do the trick. And then I had bought the Nouveau drops earlier, so I was punching out and making flowers and so forth. So, and then I just added on a few pieces of sequins here and there. So this is one of them. And then here's another one. This one has like a Hello Kitty on top. And then instead of the gold, I used the pink flowers. And then this one says hello. And then this one says sweet. This one has a tassel. They all have the sequins and flowers. So these all kind of look the same. The only thing that's different is really the flag that I used. So that's those cards. And then I did these. So these are a little bit more difficult to work with because the rainbow itself is very bright and very loud. But, and I think they gave me like vellum sheets that you could, I think I was supposed to use this on it to kind of like tone it down a little, but I didn't use it. And so I just kind of went through my stash to see what I could use on these cards. So I already had this, oh no, maybe I cut this out. It's like a holographic looking silver. So I cut that out. It's a mama elephant die. And then I had already cut these boba shakers out a while back when I had done that card, and I had these extra pieces. So I don't know if you can see, but this is actually a shape of a bear head cut out in acetate. It's super cute. And then I made the shaker using that opalescent confetti. And then this bunny's supposed to go with the boba. See, he's holding boba. And then I used one of the new ephemera kits. I can't remember which kit this was. It might have been the Jen Hadfield one. And then I just added little sequence clusters all over. So I think that came out kind of cute. I needed some more birthday cards for my stash. And I needed a few hello cards because I was sitting on Happy Meal and I hardly had any like hello type. So this is a Lawn Fawn flower die. It's actually, you can make a shaker out of it too, but I had made these cute happy face ones earlier, and I thought it kind of went nicely with this background. It also came with, the kit also came with these flag banner type strips. So I used one of them just so that the hello would stand out a little bit. And then I embellished with more sequins and the flowers. This one I tried to use the balloon shaker that I had made earlier. And I think it was okay. It was a little empty right here, so I just added on another ephemera piece from the Magical Birthday Kit. And then I cut out Celebrate out of that holographic silver cardstock. And then this is one of my favorite ones. So I had made these foxes earlier at the beginning of the quarantine period. And then, so I just had his face on here. And I cut out my own banner because I wanted the Celebrate to stick out. Because when I did this one, I thought it was it blended in too much. So I like it better on the white. And then I embellished it with all the flowers and the sequins. I actually just put a little flower in the fox's ear, but then I found the party hat, and I thought that made it look more like a celebration. So I really like that card and how that came out. And then the last group were these small ones. They're like a smaller size from the regular A2 size, see? And they had come with these already like a rainbow kind of a bright colored background. So I just went through my stash again and I tried to find embellishments. It also came with these pre-cut tags. So I've been busy making these little coffee cups. This was also inspired by Christian. She had done a video on the coffee cups earlier. And then I just added some sequins and the flower embellishments. And then this is one of the tiny rosettes from, I think it was Bambi Deer. I think she did a tutorial on it that I followed. And then that's just a yay die cut that I found. I found that. Oh, and then there's also like a vellum banner behind. And again, that kind of like mutes down the brightness of the cardstock. This one I thought it was kind of plain at first. I just had the pinwheel here along with the banner and the label. And then I added a hugs. But it was a little too plain, so I added the sequins. I thought that would be enough. That wasn't. And then I used this die cut from the Magical Birthday Kit. And I think that really completed the look. I thought it came out a lot better after I did that. And then this is another coffee cup. I added a star bead and then some flowers. And then the hello is cut out of that holographic silver again, and with the banner and the label. And then finally, I decided to make another birthday card. This is one of my sister's new images, where it's the raccoon and the fox, that they're friends. And then I just added a couple flowers and sequins. So I have a few quick birthday cards in a pinch if I need something. So anyway, that is my card share. It's my paper pumpkin kit share. I was happy to actually complete the whole kit. So today I just sat and finished it, which was with all the sequins and the flower embellishments. And I'm kind of liking how they came out. Some of them are not my favorite, but I just wanted to kind of get them done. So I had a supply of more fun cards because I have like a bunch of like more serious birthday cards and like a lot of aloha and mahalo and a lot of thank you cards. What I need more of is actually sympathy cards. So I'm going to go back to that other set that I got and see if I can put together some sympathy cards because it looks a little bit more like serious looking, like not as fun as these. Like these I wouldn't use as sympathy cards. So anyway, maybe hopefully I can get another kit done so that I can share that with you. And I know I was saying earlier that my quarantine period was over. We're gonna go back to work, but now I found out that they're giving departments a couple more weeks to get ready. So I have at least one more week of being home. So I guess I'll be able to create more projects and share with you. Okay, I hope you guys are staying safe. I know there's a lot of weird stuff going on in the world, especially in America. So please, everybody stay safe. And, I'm praying for everybody. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.